everyone, and welcome back to Art with Miss Choate. I'm so excited for today's lesson. If you've already watched Miss Nucha's story time, she read about Gladys, a monkey who loves bananas and apparently banana bread. So it got me thinking, what can I do to go with this? We're gonna do food art. I've been waiting a long time. There are so many different beautiful, cool things you can do with food art. I'm gonna show some of those photos, and it's so cool what you can do. So what we're gonna do today, we're gonna use a banana, and you're gonna do a picture either you've drawn or it could be a sticker. We'll talk about more later. And you're gonna be putting it on the banana, and we're gonna be taking a toothpick and we're gonna be poking the banana. Then we're gonna oxidize the skin. Now my banana is already going a little bit brown, but there is an area of my banana that doesn't have brown spots, so I'm gonna do it right there. And the cool thing is, it doesn't hurt the fruit itself. So you can do this, and you could do it and then send it or like give it to somebody, and in a couple of days or in a day, it's gonna show up as the art. So it's really cool. You have to wait a little bit to see the results, but it's totally worth it. So go grab a banana. If you don't have a banana, you can try one of the other ideas for food art, or you could draw a banana, draw what picture you would do when you do get a banana, and let's go get started. Alright, so for my image, I just drew a simple little face. If you recognize this, this is from my ostrich video. I still had my drawing, so just a little eyes and a beak. This drawing can be whatever you want to be, but do think about the size of your banana. See, mine's already getting oxidized. The banana itself, guys, I know some people would look at this and be like, it's bad. It's not. It just means that there is oxygen getting into the peel, and that's what makes it go ripe. So it's nice on the inside still. So I have this spot here that hasn't been oxidized. I had a label around it, and that didn't let the oxygen happen to the banana peel right there. So I'm gonna hold my face right there on the banana. I'm gonna take a toothpick. It can be anything a little sharp, but we're not gonna poke all the way through the banana because that would hurt your banana. You're gonna gently just pierce through your paper and your, oops. Now you don't even have to go all the way through. Now you might need something, toothpick could work, or a mechanical pencil works, because you're not going all the way through to your banana, and you're just gonna go around and you're tracing your design. Once you poke through completely, you're gonna have to let it sit for a little bit to let the oxygen get into those spots, and you're gonna see your super awesome design happen. So let's let it wait and let's see what happens. Another thing you could do is actually stickers. This might be easier for younger students. You could put a sticker on there, and then you simply trace that sticker. The nice thing is it sticks on there without you having to hold it like the paper you have to hold. So that's one little benefit of using a sticker. So I hope you had fun drawing on your banana. I hope you learned something new about why your bananas go brown, and it's really just about it getting oxygen to the banana and to the skin. So do try this. My banana is a little overripe, so I'm struggling with it, but I'm gonna show lots of different pictures of it as well. So I hope you had fun. I hope yours turned out better than mine, but I still thought, you know what, even when you fail at something, you still learn. So I hope you had fun. Remember, if you like this video, hit like, show me what yours turned out like. I hope yours turned out better than mine, and drop a comment. Let me know what you want to see in the future, and subscribe. So I hope you have a wonderful day. If you haven't already, go watch Miss Nucha's story time about Gladys the banana, or not the banana, Gladys the monkey who loves bananas. So, all right, I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.